Hey everyone! For today's video, I'm doing a 6-minute ab workout. All you need is your mat and a moderate dumbbell. But before we begin, make sure to tap that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the latest fitness videos. Okay, let's get started. Let's kick off this core workout with a 30-second high plank hold. Start in position with hands and knees on the ground. When you're ready, raise it up onto your toes. Let's hold for 30 seconds. While you're holding, keep the abs tight and squeeze the glutes. To modify this move, drop down to your knees and lift the toes up. This will take half the weight off. Keep the upper body in the same good form. You're doing great. Keep holding. Keep breathing. Last 3, 2, 1, and bring it down. Sink back for a quick child pose stretch. Let's flip it around onto your back. Grab your weight and hold it up towards the ceiling with both hands. With the legs in the air, we're going to alternate, lowering the leg down while bringing the arms back. Let's do this 10 times. Inhale when you lower down, exhale when you raise back up. Also make sure there's no space between your lower back and the mat. Great job, finish up those 10. And when you're done, bring it down. Hanging onto that dumbbell, we're going to do bicycle passes. With your head lifted, we're going to do figure 8 passes 20 times. Keep breathing and maintain a nice smooth motion. You're doing such an awesome job, stay with it. If your neck gets tired, feel free to rest your head on the ground. Finish those last couple up, and you're done. Good job. Carefully raise both legs up towards the ceiling. Let's do 10 straight leg crunches. Looking at those toes, lift high enough till your shoulder blades are just off the ground. To modify this move, place the weight down and just reach up towards your toes with your fingertips. You have 2 more, and you're done. Nice work. Let's move into a prone position. Here's a twist on the regular bird dog. Let's incorporate a single arm side raise with the leg extension. When you're ready, do 10 of these. Keep the elbow bent at a 45-degree angle while extending the leg simultaneously. Focus on the balance. You've got this. Get 2 more in right here. Nice work. Let's switch to the other side. When you're ready, go right into it. Keep the abs tight and the hips nice and steady throughout this movement. You're almost done. Finish those last 2. Awesome work. For this next move, start in a high plank position. Let's do 10 down dog crunches. Extend that leg nice and high, and when you come in, drive that knee all the way towards the chin while rounding the back. Exhale on the crunch in, inhale when you lengthen. You have 2 more on this side. Nice work. Give yourself a quick stretch, and then we'll move on to the other side. When you're ready, get back in that high plank, extend the other leg, and let's do 10 crunches. Lengthen the leg and then drive that knee all the way in while contracting the abdominals. You're doing so great. You're almost done with this workout. Last one right here. And you made it. Good job. Coming up, let's do some angled crunches. Sitting on the side of the hip, give me 10 crunches reaching towards the toes. Make it a big, strong movement. To modify this, just raise your top leg up and down while resting the other leg on the floor. Finish up this first set. And you did it. Good job. Let's get the other side. When you're ready, knock out those 10. Keep the abs tight and exhale on the lift, inhale when the legs come down. Remember, you can always modify this by just raising the top leg and resting the bottom one on the ground. Last 2 right here. And you did it. Good job. You're almost through this workout. We're going to do alternating bird dogs. Repeat this 10 times. Do this exercise in a nice and slow and controlled motion. Try not to let the hips rock and keep the core engaged. Finish this up. Nice work. Sink back into a child's pose to stretch. In that prone position, grab the dumbbell and place it off to the side. The next exercise is 10 plank passes. In a high plank position, reach under your body, grab the weight, place it to the outside of the mat, and then repeat on the other side. Keep the hips steady and the abs tight. You're doing so great. Stick with it. Last 2 passes right here. And you're done. Nice job.
Thank you so much for doing this workout. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts.